In this video, we'll show you how to configure basic DHCP on a Cisco router. You'll learn to reserve IPs using IP DHCP excluded address, then create a DHCP pool with IP DHCP pool, define the network, set the default router, add DNS server entries, and configure the lease time. We'll also assign an IP to the router's interface using interface, IP address, and no shutdown. To verify the setup, we'll use show running config, show IP DHCP pool, show IP DHCP binding, and debug IP DHCP server events. These steps and commands are essential for anyone managing networks or preparing for Cisco certifications. Watch till the end to master this fundamental configuration with confidence. As the first, we do the white heavy checkmark interface configuration. Hashtag interface FA0/0 enters configuration mode for the fast Ethernet 0/0 interface to apply settings. Hashtag IP address, IP, subnet mask, assigns an IP address and subnet mask to the interface, enabling it to communicate on the network. Hashtag no shutdown activates the interface by bringing it up. Interfaces are disabled by default. Hashtag exit leaves interface configuration mode and returns to global configuration mode. As second step, we create DHCP pool. DHCP pool configuration commands explained. IP DHCP pool, pool name. Creates a DHCP pool and enters its configuration mode to set DHCP parameters. Network address, subnet mask. Defines the subnet range for which the DHCP server assigns IP addresses. Default router, IP address. Sets the default gateway IP address provided to DHCP clients. DNS server, IP address. Specifies the DNS server addresses given to clients for name resolution. Lease, days, hours, minutes. Configures how long a client can use an assigned IP address before renewal is required. Exit. Exits DHCP pool configuration mode and returns to the global configuration mode. As third step, we request IP from PCS and see the DHCP DORA process in router using debug commands. White heavy checkmark DHCP commands, VPCS request and router debug. Hashtag show IP in VPCS displays the current IP configuration to verify DHCP assignment. Hashtag DHCP requests an IP address dynamically from the DHCP server. Hashtag debug IP DHCP server events shows real-time DHCP event messages on the router for troubleshooting. As last step, we verify that the configuration with show commands, white heavy checkmark DHCP verification commands, hashtag show IP DHCP pool, on router, displays information about DHCP address pools, including total IPs available, how many are leased, and the IP ranges. Hashtag show IP DHCP binding, on router, lists all active DHCP leases, showing which IP addresses are assigned to which clients, along with their hardware addresses and lease expiration times.